How to delete emojis on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. From here, you can manage your overall setup and preferences for iPhone, such as software updates, device language, CarPlay, AirDrop, and more. Then, scroll down and go to Keyboard. You can manage all your keyboard settings from here. And then, tap on Keyboards at the top. You can view all the available keyboards over here. Press and hold the emoji option and swipe left. Tap on Delete to remove it. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device. Following these steps, you can easily delete emojis on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.